This is your boy Omar Oyemeko, coming live from the boardwalk this morning. Take a look at the sunrise, guys. Unbelievable, nice, huh? Wow, beautiful, guys. This is all the surrounding on the boardwalk. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You guys are amazing. Always, guys. Thanks for your support. And thanks for subscribing, guys. Yes. Enjoy the sunrise on the boardwalk. Nice. And hey, guys. Unbelievable. Beautiful. See you guys. Give you a nice a drone shot. That's the ocean that side, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. God bless.